I'll guide you through permanently deleting your Cash App account, including the critical preparation steps required to cash out your balance, sell holdings, and save your record so you don't lose money. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Deleting the Cash App software from your home screen does not close your account or unlink your financial information. Because Cash App operates as a regulated financial service, you must complete mandatory account clearing procedures inside the app settings before the system will allow you to execute a full account closure. Before initiating the app deletion process, open Cash App and tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner. Select Cash Out to send any remaining balance to your linked bank account until your balance is strictly $0. If you own stocks or Bitcoin, navigate to those asset tabs, select Sell, and cash out those funds to zero out your investment portfolios. Next, sign into your account via a web browser at cash.app account and go to Statements. Download your complete transaction log and tax forms, as your account history will be permanently wiped upon closure. Under your profile settings, select linked banks and manually remove your debit cards, credit cards, and bank accounts. Now that you're ready, here's how to permanently deactivate your Cash App account on iOS or Android. Open the Cash App on your smartphone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap the Support or the Account and Settings depending on your app version. Select Account Settings from the option list. Tap Close your Cash App account or Close my Cash App account. Review the terms on screen and tap Confirm to authorize the permanent deactivation. Enter the verification security code sent to your mobile phone or email to complete the final sign-out. Once you receive the official confirmation notification, you can safely uninstall the app from your device. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.